Welcome to the Drum Set Therapy Podcast. My name is Stefano Ashbridge, and this is a show about the challenges that come with playing the drums and what you can do about them so you enjoy your drumming journey. Visit drumlessonsinla.com for online and in-person drum coaching. Here's an interesting question. How much clothing should I take with me on tour? Well, the answer is it depends. If you're going on tour with the biggest band on the planet, you'll probably have huge wardrobe flight cases and you can bring a lot of stuff with you. And you'll also have somebody to move it for you. And you probably won't have to think about doing your own laundry. But if you're doing a tour in a van or even a tour bus, there will be limited amount of space and you'll be sharing tight spaces with other people. On a tour bus, you'll probably get your own bunk and everyone could use a spare bunk to store all the suitcases. There also may be room under the bus to store things. There's even less room to store things if you're traveling by van. I would say to plan to do laundry about once a week and take 2 weeks worth of clothing so that if you don't get a chance to do laundry for a bit, you're not stuck without any clean clothes. If you fold and roll your clothes a certain way, you can fit a lot into a small suitcase. I found that laundry is usually done on a day off while on tour. If you do have the luxury of taking a good amount of stuff with you, consider having a small suitcase or a day bag where you can take just what you need to the hotel instead of having to lug around everything you brought with you from the bus to the hotel and back. The other thing to consider is your stage wardrobe. Even if you don't have fancy outfits that you wear on stage, whatever you wear on stage is your wardrobe. At the end of the night, you'll probably be drenched in sweat and need to change before you head out. You'll need to consider bringing enough stage clothes as well as your regular day clothes. And keep in mind that 5 people's sweaty stage clothes in the van can start to give off an offensive odor when they dry. Consider doing a quick wash in a sink with some soap after your performance. The glamorous life of a musician. Thanks for listening. Visit drumlessonsinla.com for online and in-person drum coaching. Till next time.